All right, so next we have where to put schema markup code for like a blog or an FAQ. Does it go in the head or in the body?
It can go in the head, it can go in the body, it can go in the footer. All right. It's just another script piece of code. Typically, if you had the option for schema, probably go in the head section. More than likely in the head section. Because this way, if everything doesn't fully load properly, at least the schema is loading at the top in the head area. That being said, though, we put schema in the body. I had folks that weren't technically knowledgeable, like my blog writer, they weren't like techies, they didn't know how to do the header footer thing. And so I showed them, just put a little code snippet, throw it into the bottom of the body. It's not going to show up on the screen. And it worked just fine. No problem. Doesn't have any impact. You can always go. The nice thing about it is if you go to the rich results test from Google, right? Search.google.com/test/rich results. You can plop your URL in there and you can see if Google notices it. And if they can see it and they can tell you it's fine, you're fine. So like I said, it can go anywhere. It's not going to hurt you being, in body or header or footer. Do whatever easiest. Typically, we tend to put it in the head, but it can go anywhere.